Hello listener, welcome to SolidWorks MasterCAM CNC Learner. Today how to make 2D sketch daily. At first open the SolidWorks software, then go to File, New, click and Part, click and OK click. Now go to front plane and draw the sketch. Draw the circle and draw the circle. Select. Now give the dimension this circle 60. This circle dimension 40 as well as select. Now go to this circle and this circle point and this circle point distance 130 as well as select. Now I can give this point and this point distance 65. Okay, select. Now go to this point, control this point horizontal. Again this point, control this point horizontal. Okay. Now go to draw the line there. Select and draw the line there. Or okay. Now give the dimension. The dimension 60. Okay. This line, select midpoint, control this line. This line, select midpoint, control this point, particle. Control the no need particle. Now go to 3-point arc and this line and this point are select. Again this 3-point arc, this point and this line. Select. Now I can this line, control this line, tangent. Again this line, control this line, tangent. Okay. Now this line, control this line, tangent. This line, control this line, tangent. This line, select midpoint, control this line, this point. This line, midpoint, control this point, control midpoint. Now give these are dimension 30. Select. Now these are control, these are equal. Okay. Now they are fully defined. Now go to center line and draw the center line. Select. Go to mirror and select the line about this line. Okay, now they are fully defined. Now we can draw the slot, center point slot. We can draw there, select and give the dimension, shift click, and this line click, shift. You must be click shift. Give the dimension 70. Okay, now this point and this point dimension 5. Okay, now I can this line and this line dimension 10. Okay, now they are fully defined. Now go to draw polygon. We need 6 polygon. Draw the polygon, select this line horizontal. Okay, now give the dimension line 20. Okay, now they are fully defined again. Now need 5. Draw the polygon, select this point, control this point, vertical. Okay, now give the dimension this line and this point dimension 15. No need 15, I can give 10. Okay, now they are fully defined. Make our job. Normal. Thank you all, everybody share and like. If have any question you can write comment box.